Hey everybody, welcome to Country Silo Farm. I'm Tyson and I'm going to do a little update on our rabbit tractor here. I built a couple of these rabbit tractors and, well, I'm going to show you the problem here. Rabbits thought it was a good idea, one poking its head through. They thought it was a good idea to scratch at this and they ended up escaping out of the hole. 3 of them did. So today, I plan on getting these rabbits out of the tractor here temporarily and putting on some more of this fenced area around the whole thing and putting the boards back up so they won't be able to scratch at it and escape again. So we'll start by getting these little fellas out of here and we'll get to it. I'm just stapling every other one. I know it's not gonna matter when I put the boards up, but at least that's what I kind of did over here on the other side. I don't think having that with the hinge there is gonna matter because you don't open it up all the way. I mean, you could for shade if they're outside, but we don't. We just move around every day and keep them in the chicken tractor. Okay, now that we have our fence around it, all that's left to do to finish this up is put the boards back on. And I'm putting the same boards back on. I didn't think it was necessary to cut new wood for it, since they won't be able to scratch at it anymore. well, there's the finished product. They have been trying to scratch at it, but they're not succeeding at all. I hope you guys watched my previous rabbit tractor video on how to build one and learn from my mistake. I should have put the fence all the way around it. Thanks for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up, click that like button, please subscribe to this video, and I'll put a link below on my video on how to build a rabbit tractor. Go visit our Country Silo Farm website. We have a lot of good stuff on there. And until next time, thanks for stopping by. See you later.